Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple, where we both guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix or add yours not working on Instagram. So if you're facing this problem, then basically, let me just check one story over here. So I go to my friend's story over here, which is 677. And it says add yours. Once I click on it, I can add any photo I want. But in your case, if you can just add any photo you want, then the reason could be very simple. It's basically like due to slow internet connection or Instagram is not working properly, which is not allowing you to, post a photo over here. So make sure to check if your internet connection is working or not. For that, you can just go to your browser and simply just search for any website you want. You can search for a website, and if it takes like 2 minutes to load a simple website, then it's a slow internet. But if it loads instantly, just like in my case it loaded instantly, then it's going to work. Alright, so try to do that. And even if you have a stable connection, it's not working, then what you can do is go under App Store or Play Store. And over here at the bottom on search, you want to search for Instagram. And if it says update over here instead of open, that means you need to update your Instagram. So make sure to click on update to update your Instagram, because this is available in the latest version of Instagram. So if you're outdated on Instagram, then this feature is not going to work. So you need to be up to date. If you're outdated, you can see the story, because in the old version of Instagram as well, you could see the story, but he couldn't do anything else than that, right? But right now in the future, Instagram started adding more and more features, right? So you need to be an up-to-date version of Instagram so that you can have all those features. So make sure to update your Instagram and it should be fixed. And even if it still doesn't fixes your problem after updating your Instagram, what you can do is just delete your Instagram, reinstall it again. Sometimes doing that simply fixes your problem as well. And this will also not work if Instagram servers are offline. So sometimes Instagram closes their server for a maintenance break during that time. You can use Instagram, but you cannot do any actions like liking photos or chatting with your friends. You're basically going to have some issues over there. Alright, so if you're also facing this time, then you need to wait for some time until their Instagram is fully online again and to check if they're offline or not. You can ask your friend by calling them saying, "Hey, is your Instagram working properly?" They can check it in their phone. If it is not, then it's probably down, alright. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can fix your add yours not working on Instagram. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.